Andrews. I've been teaching the design prototyping for the last 8 years. I worked in the toy industry for the other 30 years. My first Mattel toy that I really loved was the little vacuum former that they used. It's just amazing what you can make with vacuum forming, and you can keep making lots of parts fairly easily. The model making classes, in Model Making 1, we do a lot of vacuum forming. They design what we call a kind of a youth electronic device with some computer screen with some buttons that work, and they pick a license, one of the licenses, and they just start making parts. We take this through ideation, coming up with physical cardboard models to work out some of the physical, the hinging details, sliding parts, and then we start making patterns. It's to use everything in this shop: the drill presses, the sanders, the bandsaw, the milling machine, the lathe, and we take them through all that hands-on equipment. One way I teach this is to make sure that everything relates to Rhino that they're going to learn after my class. So we start them with the hands-on, and then we go to the digital world. So we got spaceships and lots of transformable parts. And this is kind of the heart and soul of a lot of stuff that happens in the toy industry. And by bringing back together a whole bunch of vacuum form parts, we can make a single whole product. And larger and cheaper than you can do it in a 3D printer.
We have had Formech here for, I want to say 10 years, because I remember our first vacuum form machine that we used to have, and it was a dinosaur. It was really hard to use. Seemed like something that somebody had made in their garage, and it was a really happy day when we got our Formech machine because it simplified the process. One of the things that is particular to our environment is that we don't actually do large production runs of anything. So each student who approaches the machine is needing to use it in a very different way, and so they end up needing to have very quick turnaround time, very quick setup between each sort of project that they're doing. And the Formech is a great machine for that because it's really easy for the students to go from one thing to another. The setup is easy. It's very approachable for somebody who's never used a piece of equipment like that before. So yeah, it's a great machine for those reasons.
My name is Brandon Thomas. I'm known as B. I'm a toy design major here at Otis College of Art and Design. I'm from New Orleans, Louisiana. I love using the different tools in the wood shop. The Formech, one of the best tools that I like to use to get quick prototyping out. I mean, the 3D printer is cool, but I mean, as far as like quick, nice looking designs, the Formech is my favorite.
My name is Joseph Kim, and I'm a student of Otis College of Art and Design. And this is one of the machines that we love in toy department. We always learn about the sculpting, rapid prototyping, and vacuum forming. Those three ways are the basic way how we can produce the toys and prototype it. I love this machine very well.